Wanted a set of security lights, so I went with this set that comes with 2 lights, and each light has 3 different LED flood panels. This is solar powered and motion censored, so it really has everything that I'm looking for in a security light. As I mentioned, it also has remote control. Looks like it comes with the hardware right away. I didn't realize it comes with a second remote control, so that if you put these in different parts of the building or something, now you've got access to both with the remote control. That's pretty handy. There's also, I'm guessing this is a holder for the remote control. So taking a look at the lights themselves, really nice. Solar panel up top. We've got the lights themselves. We've got the monitor down below. Pretty nice. Another holder here. It looks like that could be the holder for the lights itself. So this is the mount. That's interesting. So then you can pull these down or adjust them. It's pretty neat. So you've got the double floodlights. Each of the LEDs is adjustable. And then your solar panels are up top. You mount these. You don't need any cords or anything. And then you have remote controls to turn them on and off. That's real handy. That's why I bought them. Hope this helps.